Kenyan businesses facing financial distress could benefit from stronger corporate rescue and restructuring processes following the launch of the country's first comprehensive publication on corporate insolvency. The publication aims to bridge a knowledge gap that has persisted since the Insolvency Act 2015 shifted Kenya's focus on liquidation to business rescue.
I noticed that there's no real connection between the law, how it is applied, and also some of the mechanisms are not well understood. I think getting the new insolvency law, we call it new, but it's now 10 years old. But getting that law actually caused us to leapfrog more than a century, or about a century of legal development. And so having that law in place, I think for me has been the biggest shift. The reality of business, however, and the application of the law has not caught up. A lot of the people that are involved in helping businesses navigate difficult times do not sometimes apply all the tools that are available to them. And that's the gap I was trying to address, because you may have a wonderful legal framework, a modern legal framework, but then you have this gap between what's the culture of your country? How do businesses evolve? How do we treat failure?